do this week?
I have a great idea for the Pastor Olympics. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to, Pastor G and I are going to make signs, and they're going to say, honk for Jesus, and we're going to make them as pretty as we can. And then we're going to walk on the corner of State and Main right there, and we're going to see in 1 minute who can get the most honks. The person with the most honks in a minute is the winner.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Outside, we're here.
We're ready.
Pastor G's gonna go first. He thinks his duck is good. I don't know. We're gonna see.
It's a goose. It's a goose. So we're ready to start. Yeah.
We'll see who gets the most. Let me get my timer started. Here we go. All right. On your mark. Get set.
Go.
Go.
Nobody here. Nobody here. Where's everybody? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. That counts as 2.
3, 2, 1, stop!
On your mark, get set, go.
Honk for Jesus! Honk! Yeah!
That was the same guy.
Jesus?
You know I know! Oh, that's not even fair! Oh, you're gonna beat me again.
Yeah! Yeah!
Who's up? Oh, got that.
I'll go. That was fine. Okay.
Well, thank you, Pastor Adam. That was a great time. You know what? It doesn't. We could count to see who won. We really should. But you know what?
Count.
You know what? We were talking about Jesus, and that's what really matters. I think we were both winners. But you know who really won? All those who got the message of Jesus.
There we go.
We'll chalk this up to
who else won?
Yes, he won. He won.
But Jesus makes everybody winners, right?
And